Hello friends, so today we shall see Tiger Census Report of 2018. This is in continuation of Environment Current Affairs, so this is very important. Before that, let us quickly see few facts. Global Tiger Day is celebrated on July 29th and more than 80% of world's wild tigers live in India. So such is the importance of tiger habitat in India. And this is published every 4 years by NTCA. What is this NTCA? National Tiger Conservation Authority. So please do remember this. And next comes, for the first time the census report was published in 2006 and the later followed by 2010 and then in 2014 and the recent one was in 2018. So what are the interesting facts for 2018? See, for the first time they used M-Stripes technology to capture the number of tigers present in a particular habitat. So what is this M-Stripes? So I expect you to comment down in the comment section. So this was already asked in the prelims examination, so I hope all of you know this. And second fact is, this 2018 report gave a primary focus on northeastern India. Earlier, northeastern India was not included in these three reports. So for the first time, Northeast India was included in 2019 Tiger Census report. Please do remember this fact. And the next, this is for the first time that Bhutan, Nepal and also Bangladesh is helping to make this census report. So these three are the first time things and few important facts regarding the 2018 Tiger Census report. And let us quickly see what is the report says. So the output of the report is, there is 33% increase in the 4 years from 2014 to 2018. There was increase of tigers of 33%. So the next is, this 33% increase in tiger population made India to achieve the target of doubling tigers by 2022. So by 22, if this in this rate, like with 33% increase in the tiger population, if you continue like this, we could achieve the target of doubling tigers by 2022. And the next comes the highest population of tigers. This is in MP, Madhya Pradesh, with the 526. The number is 526 and followed by Karnataka 524 and then Uttarakhand with 442. Next comes, there is an increase in the number of tigers. So this is highest population in states and this list is for increasing percentage of tigers. In that also Madhya Pradesh stands first with 71%. And next comes Maharashtra with 64% and next Karnataka 29%. Next, this is the waste performer state, that is Chhattisgarh and Mizoram. Please do remember, this is the northeastern state Mizoram and from the central India it is Chhattisgarh. Next comes, there is also a category called Best Managed Tiger Reserve that went to Pench Tiger Reserve in Madhya Pradesh. You know, right? Pench Tiger Reserve in Madhya Pradesh and Periyar in Kerala. So these two are the best managed tiger reserves. Also we have another fact in this report, that is, there are no reported tigers in Baksa Tiger Reserve, which is in West Bengal, and Palamu, which is in Jharkhand, and Dampa Tiger Reserve in Mizoram. So these three tiger reserves have not recorded any tiger. So this becomes very important. Please note this. And Rajaji Tiger Reserve and Dampa Tiger Reserve are bottom in the list of the count. So obviously, right, Dampa has no tiger, and Rajaji recorded lowest. So these two are in the bottom of the list. And next comes maximum improvement category, which went to Satyamangalam Tiger Reserve. This was since 2014. So the last report was released in 2014, right? Since then, Satyamangalam Tiger Reserve has improved much. So these are the important facts which could be remembered from the perspective of environment current affairs. So this is all about tiger census report. I have noted down and made this lecture keeping in mind all the facts and figures which this report has reported. I hope you have gained from this. Please do make note of all these facts, and thank you.